Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how add Dunkin card on your Dunkin Donuts online account. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Dunkin card. Then you will see an option for Manage Dunkin cards. Click on Manage Dunkin cards. On this page, you will see an option for Add a Dunkin card. Click on Add a Dunkin card. Then a pop-up message will appear. On the field provided, enter the card number and PIN. After entering, click on Add Card. That's how you add Dunkin card on your Dunkin Donuts online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.